take a video of it?
No.
What is? Not your face. No. Where is it from?
From China.
From China?
Yeah.
So beautiful. You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
Ooh. Say this from where?
I got it from Susie Shear.
Oh my God. You look so lovely. Susie Shear? It's beautiful.
Heaven gives something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true.
Oh, that is so beautiful. Wow.
Where are you?
Oh my God. Where are you from?
Arendelle.
Oh, you look, I love your dress. Elsa, who are you reminding?
Anna, her sister.
Oh, her
Reigning
sister.
queen of Arendelle.
Oh my God.
What's your name?
Killer.
Can I give you a bit of magic wishing basket?
Oh,
Got some of my fingers from earlier. Wonderful.
what does the magic do? Do I turn into?
When you make a wish, your fairy godmother will come catch your wish and keep it safe until it's the right time for to open it and make it come true. She knows best. Fairies are very wise. Could
Oh
be
my
tomorrow,
God. Oh,
could be the next day. Fairy godmother knows best.
Thank you. I'm so glad I met you. I'm going to show this video to my friend's daughter. She absolutely loves.
Should we make a video saying hello to her?
Yes. Her name is Junie.
Junie, okay. All right, we'll say hi to Junie. Are you ready?
Yes.
Hi, Junie. Hello, sending you warm hugs from your friends Anna and Elsa of Arendelle. Hope you're having a magical day.
Ah, you girls are great. You look so great. Who made your dresses?
The seamstresses of the Palace of Arendelle. Exactly, I know. We've got a whole royal court.
Oh my God. I'm so glad to meet you. Have a fantastic show. You look fabulous.
So high, I'm hypnotized. chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world.
Hello.
How are you?
You look so nice.
Oh, thank you.
Wow.
Thank you. I made all this.
You made that?
Yep.
That is
Yeah,
so
I got
creative.
7 of these vests now.
Does it mean anything?
These are all rock bands,
Oh, okay.
and most of that is hair metal from the 80s and stuff.
Oh, and the skirt, is that do you call it a skirt?
It's called a kilt.
Oh, a kilt, okay.
Yeah.
You made that too?
Yep.
Or
I made
what?
those are belts.
Oh, belt?
They
Oh,
were all
yeah,
belts
they
that I
were
cut
belt.
down.
What about the chain?
Yeah. Well, I put them together. I didn't make them, but I put them together. I
What's
sourced-
the occasion? You look so nice. Do you have like
you
an...
know, actually nothing. I just make this stuff, so I
Oh,
I get feedback from
people?
yeah, so public. So,
Oh, do you have like a shop?
yeah. You know what? I'll show you something. I have I have an album of all the people that stop and compliment my stuff. Can we take a selfie together?
Sure.
You got to know, talking, baby. If you want to pass me.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa.
You have the height, You have the looks and you have the style. You have everything. Where's your dress from?
My mom gave it to me. I'm not sure where she got it.
Your mama? And your earrings?
Yes, these earrings I got from an artist in Bella Bella.
Bella Bella?
This
It's so beautiful.
Yeah. This is abalone.
Oh, okay.
Type of moss.
You look fabulous. Thank you.
It's all the things you never show. They're all the things I want to know. Secret stars.